what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna give you some beats and I'm just gonna freestyle to them shits, okay? So this is how it's gonna be. I'm just gonna do something different. Let's ride with this. Here we go. Play the next shit. Yo, if you guys need beats, holler at me too. Yo. Yo. Hey, cause Carol City fucking with me. Higher Leo fucking with me. Little Havana fucking with me. Little Haiti fucking with me. Liberty City fucking with me. Homestead fucking with me. And I be smoked out. Choked out, young Hispanic nigga looking low out. Everybody knows that I gotta smoke weed. Everybody knows that I gotta go slow lead on the weed, my nigga, I gotta hit it. Young Blesson and I always stay for minute. Fuck you niggas talking about flying. I'm the nigga that's talking about flying. I said my brain been flying like a skillet. Y'all niggas all about to fucking kill it. I'm about to revive the show and fucking now. Young Blesson, you should call me shower. You should call me fat. You should call me fat up. But that nigga always live in the sack, bro. I'm never there to the public. I done it. My blessing, y'all hard to discuss it. All that nigga, where you on coming through? Everybody know I got a word for you. No, they fucking will see my nigga, who the fuck is you? Y'all blessing in the right in my group. Yes, sir. Nigga, jump on the dick like a life, bro. My blessing, you is slow, bro. Y'all niggas out here like, ho, folks. Talking Twitchy, I'm fucking with me. Y'all niggas out there is hot like a baby. Yes, you know I got high guys with me. Everybody knows what I'm running through the city. Y'all niggas get fucked up every day. And you wanna get a fuck up of every day. If you wanna be, my nigga, holler at me and get some teachers up. Yo, cause I be talking every day, so fuck these niggas, homie. I said I'm rolling every day, I got that 50 on me. And everybody know that I stay committed, homie. You talking shit I did years ago, I did that, homie. I said I did that, homie. Tell Richard that I did that, homie. They talking shit that I did years ago when I did that, homie. So 25 and you 21, I feel like I did that, homie. Everybody knows that they 50 on me. Yo. So I hit him with a freestyle, right? Y'all guess what that freestyle was. And every nigga wanna fucking bite like a piranha or something, or call or something, straight slow in the brain. Everybody know I keep on hustling, keep on pushing. What would I do without that cushion? Tell me what I stick, my nigga, is you with me, my nigga? Hell yeah, you know I gotta get the situation sticky, my nigga. Everybody know I gotta get the beat, my nigga. Shake that about 1,000 times. And y'all blessing on 1,000 rounds. You say, I'm about to the crowd with lines. And everybody wanna be a coward. Y'all know nigga that I'm not so proud with. So I'm from that 305. She was so loud, can't hear like it's like silver flow. Say we don't know, say I'm back, man. You will blow. And everybody know I do chicken in the kilos, yo. But I'm trying to motherfucking hit the lights. And everybody know that I did the flow. So I only you, my nigga, so brittle. Fuck yo. Yo. I got that shit, homie. And everywhere I go, I'm smoking people, homie. You talking shit I did years ago, but man, I did that, homie. Everybody I did that, homie. You wanna talking about the pills, talking about that acid, talking about that shoes, but I've been on that added shit. I'm blessing, I'm on the shit, but everybody knows that I'm out to grips. Always to the head, always leave the bed, and my eyes be red, and nigga, when you get in the bed. They'll roll my brown hair. Oh, they'll make the brown shade. They'll focus on pound cake. Just like that nigga Jay-Z and Drake, but I never be around the fake. Motherfuckers say, check out what it takes. Confiscate if I can lose my brains, that'll be my choice. Niggas all shit don't know when I get these bitches noise. And you motherfucking poncho. You listen, hell yeah, you know I'm without me. And everybody know that I'm shooting like Wombo. But I ain't never held no pistol, on no issue. Got good tucker in the chicken greaser. And everybody know I'm harder than a mixer. Motherfucking niggas ain't fuck their issues.